What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel, LaShonda Bianca. It's your girl LaShonda Bianca here, back with another video. I'm outside, and of course my annoying neighbor decides to start cutting hedges or whatever he's doing over there in the middle of my intro, so I had to speak up. But today, you guys, we're going to be cleaning my car. I don't think I've ever even shown my car on this channel now I think about it, but I'm gonna start by giving you guys a tour of my 2018 Nissan Versa, and I'm gonna be cleaning the inside out of it because it's a mess. I'm gonna be honest, it's a mess, and it needs some TLC. So let's get started with the tour. All right, you guys, so this is my car. Like I said, this is a Nissan Versa 2018, and I actually manifested this car. Funny story, if you guys like to hear how I manifested my 2018 Nissan Versa, let me know, comment down below. I'll tell you guys how I did it. And yeah, so let's go inside. So this is the car, 4-door. It's great on gas, you guys. It's so reliable. It's crazy though because I don't have a name for my car yet. I might just be calling her Oh Reliable because that's literally what she is. So as I said, you guys, my car is so dirty. Just like, even look at the floor. This is a 2018 vehicle, meaning it should be looking brand spanking new. And I've actually just been neglecting my vehicle. I can admit that. I have not been taking care of my new vehicle. Like you can see all in the seats. I haven't been taking care of my vehicle. This is from people riding in my back seat because I don't even ride in my back seat, so I'm not sure why there are marks on my seat. Okay, so I really just want to give my car a really good clean because it deserves it. Like even the dashboard, there's dust on there. So yeah, we're just gonna really give my car a really good clean because this is honestly ridiculous. During my time in quarantine, I've been able to think a lot, realize a lot, and there's just some things I would like to get done during this time, and this is one of those things. Anyway, you guys, this is my trunk, a complete mess. There's so much trash back here that I need to throw out. Bed Bath & Beyond bags, I got jackets back here, I got clothes back here, old chips that actually made me throw up once I got my hair done back here. That's another story time. You know, heels, water, gas tank, more heels. It's just, all this has to be cleaned out today, and it will be. Now that I basically cleaned out all the trash out of my car, I'm gonna get the vacuum and vacuum up this mess. Okay, you guys, like this is all the trash I collected so far on my vehicle. A lot. You know, now that I think about it, you guys, I think this will be the second time that I ever cleaned my car out, honestly, since I had it. And I got this car in 2018. So this is what a year of not cleaning your car looks like. Don't be like me. You guys, clean your car out. I just feel like I've been not appreciating my new car. I pay a lot of money for this every month, so I need to treat it like I do and take care of my baby so I can have more nice things, you know what I'm saying? But I'm so thankful for my car. I appreciate it. I appreciate how reliable it is, how cute it is, how great on gas it is. You guys, my car fills up on $21 to fill up my tank. I'm just so thankful for my car, and yes, so let's start vacuuming. some brand new nail polishes, never used. I would never recommend anybody to eat these. I ate these and threw up so bad. Oh my God. Terrible. Peanut butter, you know okay, you see this glisten, honey? This is hard sweat. So I'm about to give you guys a tour of my cleaned car. That's my dad pulling up. Of course, it's not spot clean because I am not a car washman. I don't wash cars. I don't clean cars. But it's definitely 110% better than the way I was keeping it. I'm proud of myself that I got up and did this. I'm really happy I committed to cleaning my car out, and I'm ready to show you guys. So let's go. You guys ready? Okay guys, so first I just want to show you guys the trash that I collected out of my car. As you can see, it is a full bag of garbage. So yeah, there's a lot of trash in there. This was just a little human error. I wiped it with like a white towel, so it left some fuzzy there, but that stain spot that was there is gone. So once this dries out some more, I'll just take something that's not transferable and clean that up with it. But she is all clean. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, I'm about to go inside and relax because I'm tired now, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Deuces.